Hi, I'm here from M's Quilts and M's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to show you how to make fun, quick 4-patches. If you like what you're finding here and would like further help busting your scraps and turning them into beautiful quilts, make sure you join Aunt M's Sew Along Adventure. We'd love to have you in there. It's a fun community of great scrappy quilters. Remember, if you like my videos, to like and subscribe. All right, let's get started. To make quick and easy 4-patches, you're going to want strips. You're going to want them to be the same width, but the width, it doesn't matter, just so long as the width of both strips is the same. So here I have just leftover jelly roll strips, and we're going to sew them in sets of 2. So right sides together and sew along the edge. Once you get your strips sewn together, you're just going to set that seam and press it to one direction, and then you can cut these. You're going to subcut them the same width as what you started with your strips, so these were 2.5, or you can put them on the go just the opposite way. I like to line up with this line here that's on the die, and you can accordion them back and forth. And then if you have more strip sets because you want to do scrappy, because you know I love me some scrappy, I'm just going to overlap. I'm not going to let those seams overlap. And I'm just going to accordion this, kind of keeping it parallel. And you can do that all the way along the die, doing that for your scrappies. And you're just going to feed that through the AccuQuilt. Slide that off. And you get these lovely units. So I can make matching ones by sewing these together, or we can go with the scrappy and do the different fabrics. Let's sew those together, and that will give you a 4-patch. I like to spin the seam here so it lays flat, and I'll put a link into how you do that, my YouTube video on that up above. Just rinse and repeat. Remember, you can make them the same or you can do scrappy. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.